Okay, so here's a little quiz for you. And what we look for often on trading charts is candle reversal patterns. I'm a big fan of naked trading. In other words, trading with charts without indicators. I do use some indicators in my G7 trading system, but they're limited to Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and stochastic indicators. But I also like to trade without indicators on some charts, and in that case I use horizontal lines mainly, and those would be support and resistance lines and Fibonacci levels. But in conjunction with those levels, Fibonacci's and support and resistance lines, I also like to look at candle patterns. And the candle patterns are the triggers which gets one into or out of a trade. So we combine these patterns with the horizontal and Fibonacci lines in order to complete the picture. So we have the level at which we want to trade from, and then we have the trigger to initiate the trade, which is the candle pattern. I've got a list of a number of candle patterns on the screen right here in front of you, and I've got a little task for you today. And I want you to arrange these patterns. You can write them down. You can make comments in the video comment section below, or you can just make a mental note of them, whatever you want to. But the task for you today is to arrange these patterns in order of importance from 1 to 5. Now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 8 patterns, 8 or 9 there. But I want you to choose the top 5 and arrange them in order of importance. In other words, which one gives you the strongest signal to enter a trade, either a buy or a sell. And these patterns can happen at the top of up moves or at the bottom of down moves, doesn't matter. You can see in some of them I've put spike high or low, for example, or one up, one down, or shaven head, shaven bottom. But actually all of these candlestick patterns apply to movements in either direction. So take the top 5, arrange them into what you think is, first of all, the most powerful, the most important, the one that gives the highest probability of a correct analysis, down to number 2, 3, 4, 5. And it would be great if you could put those in the comments below, or you could just write them down for your own use, for your own thoughts. And what I'll do is I'll follow up with this video a little bit later on. I'm not sure about today, but possibly in a day or two's time, because I'm just preparing for the market opening. It's Sunday afternoon now, so in a few hours' time the market opens, so I might not have time today. But I'll follow this up with a video telling you what I think are the most important and powerful candle patterns and how you can use them to enter the market with a very good degree of confidence that you're taking the right trade. So you've got a list of patterns there. Have a look at them all. If you don't know what they are, go and Google them. You'll find plenty of information on Google. That's another job for you to do. And once you know what they are, and if you do know what they are already, write them down, number 1 up to number 5, in order of importance, starting at number 1, the most important, number 2, the next one, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And write those down, as I said, or put them in the comments. And when I do my next video, I'll reveal to you what I think, and I think I'm right on it. I probably am right. In fact, I'm pretty certain I'm right. What I think are the most important ones and how you can use them to assist your trading in order to make your trading more profitable and your probability of being correct much higher, and generally improve your trading. So that's the task for today. Go through them, Google them, look them up. If you know what they are, write them down. Whatever you want to do. It'd be great if you could put them in the comments below so that other people can have a look at what you're writing. And like I said, if you don't know what they look like, go and Google them. And I'll reveal what they look like in the next video in any case, if you don't know. And I'll put the patterns up on the videos for your information. So good luck with that. And I look forward to seeing you the results of what you all think. And I'll speak to you again soon.